1, crescendo.
Qualification match number 11 begins right out of autonomous. Red Alliance making quick work. 2 shots in by the Loretto machine. They've gone out, trying to get a third. Hits just off the top of the red speaker, but able to get one more in. Nicely done by the rookie sensation. No strangers to success. 2 wins this year for Loretto. As drivers step up and take the controls, Red's got a 15-point advantage. We see Farrah Burmis out there for the Red Alliance. Note up into their mechanism. They've got one of the most fluid amp mechanisms you'll see here today at Lure. We see why. They've got 1 note already in that red amp, and now they'll be trying to get a second. But over on blue, we see 9994. That's the Krakens. Utilizing that kitbot design, they toss a note up and into that blue speaker. Their partners, that's the Chippewa Falls machine, 5826. Another one of our great amp robots here. They've got 2 in the amp. If they can get 1 more, they'll be able to get the cooperation and get the blue speaker amplified. But they choose to shoot right into the blue speaker. Coming up on a minute 15, we see Leviathans, 8744, tosses a note up for their friends in blue, 9994, picking that up with their ground pickup on the kitbot in order to get to an amplified blue speaker. We'll see what blue can do here. A few well-timed speaker shots could push them further ahead of red. It's very close. 2 points. Check that, tied now, 49 points apiece by these alliances, as Loretto Lightning scores one into an unamplified red speaker. That'll be 2 points, pushing them ahead of the Blue Alliance. Here comes Farrah Burmis. Looks like a note maybe in the center of their robot. That's unfortunate. They will not be able to pick up any more notes without receiving penalties. Looks like they might be headed for the end game then, trying to secure some of those points. 20 seconds. We're all tied up, folks. This one is going to come down to the end game as Farrah Burmis raising those hooks up, trying to get secured. We see 9994 parked for blue with under 10 seconds left. It's going to be very, very close. Avis maybe trying to get 1 more shot into the blue speaker. Just out. We'll see if 8744 was able to climb as well. This one's going to be very close. Let's take a look at the scores there. It was very, very close. Coming out of the end games, your Blue Alliance emerges victorious with a score of 70-59. Nicely done by the Blue Alliance. Red still taking home a rank point. That's going to keep Team 9576 Loretto Lightning locked in that number 2 position. Will push Avis Automata up to number 3 and Leviathans up into number 5.